Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting my channel. I am back with you with another haul, fall haul, but this time I went to Dollarama and Dollar Tree because those are the two that we have in our area, and I picked up mostly craft supplies for the daycare for the kids, but there is some fall decor and some stuff for fall DIYs. So it's not a overly big haul, but it's big enough. So let's get right into it. So at the Dollarama, I had picked up these bags, and I had picked up two different prints. So we've got the scarecrow print, and then the ghost print, and I thought these would be great for the kids to use markers and color on them and use them for their trick-or-treat bags, and they were $2 each. Then I had picked up a picture frame. This will be a DIY project that I will be working on, and this one was $4. Then I had picked up several items more. So I picked up this pumpkin or squash. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using it for. No, I know what I'm going to be using it for. I'm just not sure whether I'm going to color it or I'm just going to keep it as is. Then I needed some premium wet floral foam for a DIY that I'm gonna be working on. I picked up these giant glue sticks. They were $2.50. They're for my big glue gun. And this pumpkin was $1, I believe. And the floral foam is $1.50. Although I don't think that pumpkin was $1. I think that's how much they charged me. They also sell Elmer's glue, which I needed, and this was $3. These are Sharpies, but they're paint markers. They are great for scrapbooking, art project, posters, and sign. Water-based, acid-free ink is fade-resistant and removable from glass. Vibrant colors for light and dark surfaces. And it says it's great for paper and windows. So that's for my picture frame DIY that I'm going to be making. Then I picked up some foam brushes. These are $1.25, and the markers were $3. And then these pumpkins, they are so heavy, and I loved the look of them. So I picked up two, and these were $3 each, but they are heavy. So that's from Dollarama. From Dollar Tree, I'm really disappointed at the lack of stuff that our Dollar Tree has. When I see all of you guys hauling these great items from Dollar Tree, I am jealous because ours truly doesn't have a lot. They didn't even have very many pumpkins, like decorative pumpkins or anything like that, but these are the items that they did have and I picked up. So I picked up this red truck, which I am loving the red trucks this year. Well, I did last year too, so I'm going to be DIYing with this. And then I picked up a whole bunch of these, which are going to be for the daycare and for DIYs. But these are great for daycares to decorate or paint or whatever. They can put stickers on them. There's lots of options. So I picked up a whole bunch of those. And then I also picked up these, which I'm going to be taking apart and doing a DIY with. And funny thing, they had their Christmas stuff out, so I bought the Peace, Joy, and Believe these metal galvanized words. And I also picked up the fall ones, which have Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome. I'm pretty sure these are very popular. But since I saw that they had the Christmas one, I picked those up just in case. Then I picked up some of these for daycare crafts. These are as well very easy for my younger kids to paint, or we put glitter on them, or just use a marker on them. And then I picked up these 2 pumpkins because I really like the way these look. Now these are, I think they're like ceramic, but they're not heavy like the other ones. So that's it. I will have my fall playlist linked down below with all the fall DIYs that I have been working on. I will have clean and decorate. I have down below, I have started with some baking, fall baking, so everything will be under fall 2019 playlist linked down below, so make sure you check out. I just finished working on those. Now I did those last year, so I don't have a video for them this year, but I will be using those pillows in Decor. So make sure the home tour will be coming up shortly, I think in about a week and a half. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this haul. Let me know if your dollar store has lots of items. If not, are you disappointed that they don't have lots of items, or is it a good thing because you're not spending money? Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.